Airports are my favorite places for a reason. They signify freedom. Freedom from the matrix, freedom from society, freedom from the shackles of the law. I just feel like when I'm at airports and when I'm traveling, I just feel so free as a person, man. It's the best feeling in the world. And I always tell people who are struggling in life and who feel like they are directionless and they don't like their friends and they don't like their hometown and they don't like their job, I urge you guys to find work abroad, travel, take some of your savings, don't blow it all on a trip, take some of your savings, take a trip somewhere beautiful, somewhere where you can clear your mind. And I've said this many times, take that trip alone. Just go alone, because that's when you discover yourself. If you're around people all the time, you never really learn who you actually are. See, my journey is to master myself. My life purpose is to master my emotions, my path, my plan. Yours should be the same. Master yourself, right? Robert Greene wrote a book about this. I'm actually going to continue reading my Robert Greene book called Daily Laws. I need to finish it on this flight. I'm flying back home to London. I have a hernia operation. Not a big procedure, just a quick one. I've been lifting weights for 20 years, so it's time to sort out my hernia, which has been putting me in pain for like 2-3 years. But anyway, that's besides the point. When I started traveling at 26, 27 years old, my life changed. That was when I realized that I could be free. That was when I realized I could start being a man and spreading my wings and communicating with human beings and trying to build a business and just trying things, right? Traveling makes you realize that you're open to the world of possibilities. That's what I love about traveling. Whenever I travel, I just soak up the scene and the culture and think, what can I do here? What business can I run here? How can I make money here? Who really am I? Now, that's the key. I love asking myself that question of who really am I? What kind of person am I? How do I get looked at? How am I perceived in public? I think these things are important to discover yourself. And this is why I say that if you're a bit lost and you're not too sure what direction you're going in life and you're a bit directionless in general, you don't like your job and things are not going well with your girlfriend, or you're just recently single. I always tell people that are recently single to get on a plane and just go somewhere and really discover yourself. Not go and get blind drunk and try and sleep with as many women as possible. No, go and really try and cultivate your purpose. Who really are you? Your task in this life is to master who you are, master your emotions, master your thoughts, to figure out how best you can serve this planet. That's really what your life purpose is. I've been searching for my meaning for a long time, and through this YouTube channel, I tell you, I'm really starting to find a lot more meaning through you guys, so thank you for that. So, on a final note, I want to keep this short and sweet, even though I've got ages in the airport. You need to really master yourself, and you do that by traveling. Go alone, man. Travel solo. Just go to countries alone. Just literally turn up, book a flight ticket. It doesn't have to be expensive. Turn up somewhere, be alone, roam around alone. Take some quiet time to yourself. Go to restaurants alone. Go to a bar alone. Just talk to people, man. Discover people. Go to meetups. Really learn about this world. Really learn about who you are in this world. I love this. I love being in airports. I love traveling. I feel completely free of myself. I feel like I'm really in existence. When I'm above the clouds, there's nothing that feels better. I feel like I'm not trying to escape anywhere, but I feel like I'm detached from any structure in society. Detached from anyone telling me what to do, detached from any laws. I'm in the sky. You can't touch me. I'm untouchable at that point. I'm completely free with my own thought. So I highly recommend it. Travel alone, my friends. If you're stuck, travel alone. Go somewhere beautiful. Go somewhere you've really wanted to go. And you can build a life somewhere new. On a final note, you are absolutely not trapped.